if you want to know how to turn this 12 by 12 grass square into this grass wall, renter friendly edition, tune in. I just didn't want a lot of holes in my walls. I do own, and I just wanted a quick, convenient way to have where I could take up or down the grass wall whenever I wanted to and not have to worry about a whole bunch of glue and tape. I am a fan of using spackling, and I definitely like the one that's pink and turns white when it covers up the holes, and it's like you never had the hole there before. So I went to Home Depot and I was comparing some of the items, and I found this garden fence mesh. It was very flexible. They had some more sturdy ones, but I want something that was folding and flexible. Here I go, I'm checking out. I had to stop by the seeds because they got some new seeds and flower seeds and vegetables and fruit. Might try planting soon. They had a really good amount. Really exciting. So I unwrapped the mesh, and I'm doing it on a 6x6 table, 3x6 table. And these were the zip ties that actually came with the box hedges. So I zip tie it and I cut. It's real easy and simple. Actually, if you want to know how to zip tie, let me show you. So it's real easy. This is the zip tie. This is the end that you want to press it through. Just like this. And the more you pull, you'll start hearing the zip. As I apply, I cut the edges of the zip tie. Overall, this took me about 15 minutes altogether to prepare this wall. Started off a little slower because I wanted to make sure I was adjusting everything and not using too many zip ties. I wanted to try to use one zip tie on two ends, so that way I'll save using too many zip ties. When cutting at the zip ties, I don't cut too close to the end. I just cut a good amount where you won't really see it. But I want to leave a good little traction there just in case the zip tie kind of bounce a little bit. Want it to still be able to zip tie on the string. So I don't get too close when I'm cutting it. These squares fit perfectly on this mesh. And when you're adjusting them, all you have to make sure you do is pull back those leaves so that way you get real close to the edges of the zip tie. And when you let go of the leaves, they kind of just bounce back. Make it look very full. During this process, if you want to get creative, you could also zip tie, use some LED lights around the edges. I'm probably going to put LED lights later on around the edge of my box edges. Or you could also do a LED sign or lettering and add that in. Or you could just go back later on and just add it on top of this wall. Here I am getting everything together to move it on the floor. So I'm just going to go back over right now and make sure that I adjust a good amount of the squares to the mesh and make sure that I have nothing loose. There will be some that, will come loose once I'm hanging it up, and I just have to adjust it because it might be some that I miss, but I got a good amount. So just making sure everything is secure and ready to be installed. I'm gonna put the grass wall here on the sofa. I can sit on the sofa, I can enjoy it, and I think it'll be a great background. So I'm gonna put it. Now for the next part, which is hanging this on the wall. Okay, I got the guys to help, and I knew that they would not stick around long. I told them my idea on how I wanted to put the panel up. It's very lightweight. I decided to use some screws, 3 screws on each side at the top, just to secure it up there. Again, it's very lightweight. You can use a leveler if you want to, but I didn't want to have to go to the garage and look for one because I know my time was limited. They would get tired and want to go back to doing what they were doing. So here I am securing the last little pieces now once it is up there. I'm just making sure I have everything zip tied to the grid. Look at that. So I just want to say, hope you enjoyed this tutorial and tune in next time. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Tune in next time. My little Daisy is ready to play ball. And where's your ball? You don't have it? Well, peace, deuce, adios, and love. Ciao.